The 18 members of parliament who were recently expelled by the former president Jacob Zuma's party, Umkhonto weSizwe, won't give up without a fight. They are heading to court amid accusations of betrayal. A senior source in the Triple AM told IOL News that we are going to expose everything. We are going to court to challenge what MK has done to us. Their action is a betrayal and a breach of agreement between the All Africa Alliance movement. We made Umkhonto weSizwe party popular through our numbers and supported the party. The Zuma family was completely bankrupt before we came out to support them. Now they are arrogant and power hungry. Zuma's daughter runs it like a family cult and we feel very used. The showdown between the two parties comes in the wake of the firing of 15 members of the Triple AM from MK Party's parliamentary caucus last week. The movement had previously thrown their support behind Umkhonto weSizwe Party and Jacob Zuma before the elections, citing a groundswell all over 14 million members. But the relations quickly soured between the two parties after the elections, with the current spat now heading to court. The national spokesperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Party told the IOL News that we opened a charge against them. They are thugs and should not have been in parliament representing Umkhonto weSizwe Party in the first place. They were not on our list, and when we realized who they were in parliament, we immediately removed them. We welcomed the opportunity in court. The Triple AM previously announced former Chief Justice Mogoeng Mogoeng as their presidential candidate for the May elections, only to later learn he had not endorsed this. The Triple AM member said we were shocked when he later said he predicted he will become president without going through an election after he accepted our offer of presidential candidate. We then decided to approach Zuma, and that's how this whole partnership with MK started. The public spat is the latest in series of battles facing Umkhonto weSizwe Party since its election victory, and what appears to be a subsequent downward spiral, internal leadership squabbles and anger from supporters over the party's failure to enter coalition talks post-elections has left the party unsettled. Jela said, we are confident the party will bounce back. We are riding the party for saboteurs and will come out of it stronger. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.